Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever heard the term proxy server and wondered what it actually does? Proxies are everywhere on the internet, playing crucial roles in security, performance, and access. But there are different types, and understanding them is key. Today, we're breaking down a fundamental concept: forward proxy versus reverse proxy. We'll look at this diagram and clearly explain the difference and why each one is used. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the forward proxy. Think of a forward proxy as a gateway for users leaving a network, typically a local area network, LAN. All the users on this network, user A, user B, user C, send their internet requests through the forward proxy first. Why would you use one? Avoid browsing restrictions. Users can sometimes bypass geographical restrictions or censorship by routing their traffic through a forward proxy located elsewhere. Block access to certain content. Organizations often use forward proxies to prevent users on their network from accessing specific websites or types of content, like social media or adult sites. Protect user identity online. Since all requests appear to come from the proxy's IP address, it helps protect the user's identity online, making their individual activity harder to trace directly back to them. So, the forward proxy sits in front of the users, managing their outgoing requests to the internet. Now, let's look at the reverse proxy. This is where things flip. A reverse proxy sits in front of web servers, managing incoming requests from the internet. Users, user A, user B, user C, on the internet send their requests, and those requests hit the reverse proxy before they ever reach the actual web servers, web server A, web server B, hosting the application. Why are reverse proxies so crucial, especially for websites and applications? Load balancing, this is a big one. A reverse proxy can distribute incoming traffic across multiple backend web servers. If you have a popular website, this prevents any single server from being overloaded, improving performance and reliability. Protect from DDoS attacks. Reverse proxies can absorb and mitigate distributed denial of service, DDoS, attacks by filtering malicious traffic before it reaches your backend servers. Cache static content. They can store copies of static files, like images, CSS, JavaScript, and serve them directly to users, reducing the load on your web servers and speeding up response times. Encrypt and decrypt SSL communications. Reverse proxies often handle SSL/TLS encryption and decryption, offloading this computationally intensive task from your backend web servers. So, the reverse proxy sits in front of the servers, managing incoming requests from the internet. In simple terms, forward proxy protects the users and manages their outgoing traffic. Reverse proxy protects the servers and manages their incoming traffic. Both are incredibly valuable tools in network architecture, serving different but often complementary purposes. Understanding the difference between forward and reverse proxies is key to grasping how modern networks and applications are secured and optimized. If this explanation helped clarify proxies for you, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more deep dives into networking and system design concepts. And let me know in the comments if you use either of these in your setup. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.